This is a 1987 Prevost bus, like a Greyhound bus. Had 56 passenger seats in it, stripped them all out, took it down to the bare steel inside, started over, electrical, plumbing, the whole 9 yards. And we're turning it into a tiny home / motorhome.
But why?
Well, a couple years ago, Terry and I did a motorcycle trip across the country and thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. We wanted to see as much of the country as we could, and we saw just enough of this beautiful country to ignite a serious fire within us. We want to see more.
We definitely wanted to see more.
Yeah, I know what she's thinking.
That's a good name for it.
So anyway, we thought we bought a Class A motorhome last year, and I renovated that and then sold it, and then now we wanted a bigger platform, so we got this.
Yes.
So we're doing this now, and
the plan is to take our business on the road.
that's right.
We are in Lemoore, California, checking out this Prevost, and we're going to have a mechanic come here and start it up and check out the engine. Hasn't moved in like three years. What are you doing? Buying me a bus. That's funny.
Buying me a huge project.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think, folks? Let's go. The adventure begins here.
Yes, it does.